If you want to set up the voicemail on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all we need to open the phone app. Then we need to open keypad, so press on this icon, and then press and hold 1. Now in my case I have 2 SIM cards, so I can choose the SIM for this call. So I can choose this one, and then I'm gonna call my voicemail. Now of course this depends on the carrier that you have. And if for some reason this doesn't work for you, you can go to the voicemail settings in order to properly set up the voicemail. In order to do so, we need to tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner, and here we can go to settings, and then go to voicemail. Here, in my case, I can choose my SIM card, but then I can go to advanced settings, and here I can choose the voicemail number. So if this voicemail number is incorrect or is empty, then in that case you need to find the proper number for the voicemail of your carrier. So for instance, you can try to Google it, or just in general find it on the internet, or simply try to contact your carrier in order to get the voicemail number, and then it should work. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!